Oh my gosh, the sky is falling. My conversion rate. What happened to it? Nope, there's actually nothing wrong. Let me explain everything. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And I'm going to show you how your conversion rate didn't actually drop 50%. What happened was they added mobile view. And so if you go into your business report and you click in and poke around and see your sales and traffic, and you scroll down and notice there's a bunch of new columns here on the side, well, mobile view, page views, mobile view, conversion rate, all have been added into the data. And that means your actual conversion rate isn't as bad as it looked like it dropped off a cliff. You're not seeing a 50% conversion rate drop. Nope, none of those things are true. Surprise! They started counting mobile views. And that's it. So if you go back in and look at all of your mobile data and all of the conversion rate together, so if we went and tried to get a crack and a handle on this situation, when you scroll over and you see your conversion rate, it's actually unaffected. Nobody changed anything in terms of what actually gets sold, or there wasn't this major economic event all of a sudden in the last 3 to 5 days. It was simply just Amazon adding mobile data into the system. They did it without an announcement. Typical Amazon MO, right? They did it, and then all of a sudden it showed up. So if you were looking at your conversion rate, your order item session percentage rate, you probably saw this column, and we got to move myself all the way to the bottom left here. You probably saw this column drop in half overnight, and they did backdate this. So if you go back and look at some of your reports, you will see that this data is now backdated into the former reports, but there's nothing to worry about. At the end of the day, it's obvious that mobile did not convert as well as desktop. We knew that. But now we actually have the data. We know how many times people are clicking. We have all of the information about what they were doing. We know that a lot of people, they start their shopping experience and they're going through and they're looking at the next thing and the next thing on their mobile phone like this, and they don't every single time click the checkout button. All of a sudden, I got a call from my mom. Hey, I got a call from my spouse. Boom, I left my shopping experience. Maybe when I get back to my computer later that day, I click on that checkout button and I'm good to go. So we know that people don't convert as highly on a mobile phone. None of that is surprising. But what was surprising is when Amazon all of a sudden added the mobile view data into the system. So if you're having some questions today, that is the why. It's just simply surprise. Here's some mobile data. But your actual conversion rate now is going to include mobile. They backdated it, so check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and know that you can come to My Amazon Guy anytime some news is happening in the Amazon space.